Yeah,
Fuck love.
the song's
Dedicated.
for someone
Special.
that took my heart away.
Took my heart away. Sadness.
Young Strive,
What you know?
Lukey Lee,
Yeah.
Touky.
Memories of you, I know it's true. All I did was really love you. I never want this feeling to end, and now I'm rapping to the life of pain. Thinking too much drives people insane. Ride to the wrong lane. People never think the same. You're always on a jab to a hit, never turning back, just like the track. Gotta go with the flow if you know what I mean. I let my feelings show from my head to my toes. I hope we both grow. Grab hold to tell the tales of two beautiful souls. All you gotta do is be true. Hold my hand, we both fly through, nobody stopping us. Making a whole bunch of memories, and we don't give up, cause we got the best of luck. No need to rush, cause yo just gonna fuck yourself up.
And you never loved me. I'm going to sanity. I guess it was a fantasy. Closed my eyes for a moment and I lost to the bone. Guess I never paid the rent, cause my heart's got a debt. And I'm just sitting on bed. Touch my heavenly goddess said, taking all the pain from my chest. I ended up like the rest. Everything was just a fairy tale. And no money for the bill. And I tipped right off the scale. Got locked up in my own heart. Separated us apart. I'm like a lone wolf, howling at the moon. Hope to die soon. Suffocate from months to the days. Sprinkling outside. Wishing you happiness.
Love is like a dream for you and me to see. When I hear your voice again,
It hurts.
I'm
sorry, girl. Your boy, Young Strive. I'm sorry that I never listened to the problems that we have, and I know I'm missing all the times that you cried out my name. It's like the rain just killed the sound to your voice, and I'm still in pain. Even when I have a choice, I choose to do you wrong. No one I'll regret. I knew all along you wouldn't listen to me, so listen to this song. Just tell me how you feel. I know it's not gone. I made your teardrops, and I know it hurts. I can feel the pain when I hear your words. I love you so much, I don't wanna let you go. It's like the pain is me when your life was full, but now it's empty, it can't be, it's going away. Your happiness gone, there's no better day. But let's just say we could wash it away. So come with me, we were meant to be.
love is like a dream for you and me to see. When I hear your voice again, can you feel my heart? Love is like a dream for you and me to see. When I hear your voice again, can you feel my heart?
I know that loving is a dream, but it's okay. You got me and I got you, so don't you worry, babe. I'll always be right there for you, so don't you worry about a thing. Because daddy's coming home, but I hustle when it rains. But I know that lately's getting colder outside. But don't you worry about the thunder, I'll be your shoulder to hide. And then I'll catch you when you fall, so you can fly like a kite. And then I help you get on up, so you can ride on your bike. But it's just like, I know that life is always getting harder, older. Life is getting older by the time hai trâu có hai té bé tôi lo lời cho ôi xí lời. Chỉ muốn lên từ họ luôn tên tên nói yêu trong đi hú lời. Cụ thể lý hai trâu có hai té cụ riêng nhỏ nhỏ nơi có xa. Chỉ muốn lên từ họ luôn tên tên nói yêu khen cho ư lời. That's why I say love is like a dream, but can you feel my heart? Yeah.
Love is like